In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to always run programs in compatibility mode on your Windows computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you want to go ahead and start by opening up the programs listing in the start menu. So go ahead and type in whatever program you want to always run as administrator. So I'm just going to type CCleaner for my example here. Best match should say CCleaner. Again, whatever your match is might be different, but you want to right click on it and then left click on open file location. Whatever the shortcut is listed in here, you want to go ahead and right click on it and then left click on properties. Now you want to go and left click on where it says compatibility shortcut, and then underneath compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4. Check mark inside of here. Select whatever version of Windows you want to run this in compatibility mode for. I know some versions of Windows 10, the only option you have is previous versions of Windows, but in this version of Windows, I can go all the way back to Windows 95, 98, Windows 7, Windows 8. You really have a lot of customization here. So once you've made your selection, you just go ahead and left click on apply and OK. And then I would suggest recreating the shortcut or copying it and putting it on the desktop if you already had a desktop shortcut, as well as for the taskbar, because your shortcuts might not be running in compatibility mode all the time, but this particular one, so if you were to open up the start menu, would. So you maybe would want to just delete any desktop shortcuts and then just copy whatever this is over to your desktop, just as an example. So then this would run based on what this is over here. You don't want to have shortcuts that may or may not all be synced up properly. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.